Hi friends, today I am going to explain the security tools used in the cryptography while sending the text over a network. So as of here you can see I have selected the PGP, which stands for pretty good privacy and is considered as one of the best cryptographic algorithms. So basically the working of a PGP can be explained as it compresses the data and then creates a session key randomly. The encryption of the message is done using the block cipher algorithm, and then it uses the public key cryptography to encrypt the session key, and then together the ciphertext and the encrypted session key is transmitted over a network. So as of here you can see in the diagram, the plain text is encrypted with a session key, and then the session key is encrypted with the public key, and both this session key and the ciphertext is transmitted to the network. The decryption works in the reverse order, that is at the receiver's end. If a PGP server receives a message, it decrypts the encrypted session key using the sender's private key, and this decrypted session key is used to decrypt the ciphertext. Then it decompresses the deciphered text to produce the original plain text. So you can see the decryption process here. The encrypted message along with the encrypted session key is sent, and then using the sender's private key, the session key is decrypted, and then the session key is used to decrypt the main ciphertext. The PGP keys, the larger the key, the more secure the encryption is. So we can decide the size of the key. Then the public keyring and private keyrings. The keyrings are the files with a specific data structure, and the passphrase used to generate our private key. Then certificates. We must make sure that the public key belongs to the person associated with that signature. PGP certificates consist of public key, user ID or name, then the email address or ICQ, one or more signatures, validity period, preferred algorithm, and the pitfall. Pitfall means not attested the authenticity as a whole, only vouches the public key that is bound to appear on the identity of the certificate. Then the certificate has a validity period. If a certificate expires, it becomes invalid. A certificate, it does not mean anything bad about the public key owner, only saying the users can no longer authenticate you by a public key. Then the vulnerabilities that we face are a passphrase attack, that is it is easy to remember and difficult to guess, and then the public key tampering. One must make sure that the public key is directly from the person or signed by the trusted third party, and the access control of our own public and private keys should be made sure, and then we should make a copy of both the keyrings, both public and the private keyrings. Then traffic analysis. Observing the size of the message, source and the destination, the time it is sent. It analyzes the traffic, and then PGP alone has no solution for this problem. It requires a special communication protocol that can reduce the traffic information. Then cryptanalysis. PGP uses the best block cipher algorithms in the world, and it has no successfully attacks on the public key cryptography since 1978. Thank you.